guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make these little flourish, Maggie Holmes flourish embellishments. These were 110% inspired by Adriana Alvarez on Instagram. I'll link her down below. She did little flags that she sent in Happy Mail to Shara, and I knew I had to make some, but I haven't had time, and I finally got around to it, and so I'm continuing with the Maggie Holmes Flourish paper pad. And then the top, I'm trying to think of new ways to do the toppers, like the bag toppers. So I just did a little strip, some trim, and a flower. It kind of looks like a bag / purse. I don't know, whatever it is. But yeah. So I used these little candy sticks that I usually use for my embellishment boxes, and I just cut a piece off, to make these sticks. They're about 3.5 inches tall. I'm sure that skewers from the 99-cent store would work. I think they're this skinny. I don't remember, but I'm on a no spend, so I don't know. I haven't been there, so I don't know. But yeah, I need to get little sticks, because Lily also did banners like the flourish embellishments, and I need to get more sticks because I don't have enough. So that's my next to do. But yeah, so get your little sticks. I have these little pom-poms. I do have red ones, but I'm not trying to look like clown embellishments. That just does not match with what I was doing. So I have these tiny little pink ones that I saved from Happy Mail. Just a tad a bit of hot glue and smush it down. And already looking cute. So still using the scraps, that's how I made these little flag parts. Let's see, just trying to get ones that aren't the same, because I'm gonna do 3 banners. Are they called banners? I don't know what they are. Buntings, I think these ones. You could do more if you make your sticks taller, but I figured I'd keep these small so that somebody can embellish their, Happy Mail or flip book or whatever it may be. Ooh, this is way crooked. I should have cut those beforehand. Anyway, so just get them and fold them over just a little bit. I would have done the entire length, double the length of this, so that it covers the entire backside as well. But I was using scraps and I didn't want to waste more paper, so I just did, a little tiny, probably 3/4 inch fold over. Just glue it down. And if there's little pieces like this on the edge that, you didn't cut perfect, just cut them off. Okay, so I glued those. Now you could just cut the edges like a normal, I'm gonna do them all different, and they can all be different lengths. I think it looks better that way. So this one I'll just do a inwards flag. This one I'm going to use my decorative scissors and do like the little alligator teeth. Actually, I'm going to make it shorter than this guy. And this one I'm going to do like this. Little like stick. Then I alternate where I do them. Like this one I'll do the top part little. This one I'll do. When you're gluing the little back pieces on, make sure you get some of the pieces of the wood, the stick part, so that the flags don't slide up and down. You know, they're there permanently. So there they are. I'm sure you could go a step further and put like a sentiment word down here, or you know, wherever. And then I have these bows from Hobby Lobby, Valentine's Day type. And these bows are from Hobby Lobby as well, which they still sell. They're in the sticker section. They're like a burlap. They came with a sticker, but I just make sure that it's ripped off. And you could probably even make these with washi tape as well. Like instead of paper folding over, just do the good old washi tape trick and it would look just as cute. But this, I'm trying to do flourish only embellishments. I'm sticking with all these scraps. So I'll keep using it till I run out. Then I got, because this bow's a lot smaller, I used a smaller gold sequin and then a bigger one for the bigger one. Then with the Hobby Lobby self-adhesive bags, the cellophane bags, shoot, Hobby Lobby should be paying me. I've mentioned 3 of their things already. Just scraps from the last set of embellishments I did. This is fit in the bag. Okay, so this stick is a little too long. Use my crappy scissors and cut it off. So the last washi tape that I used on these guys, I'm gonna have to go through and replace them. As you can tell, it's already lifting. Typical washi, cannot rely on it for nothing. So I'm gonna use a different one. This washi's good, it's from Target. It was part of the Valentine's Day collection. And I'm just using the decorative, I don't know, what is this called? Teeth alligator? Washi? Scissors, I mean. Whoever it's getting to and be like loose jingling around in the bag. Broken probably. Stick it in. Look like a madman. Okay, get all these other scraps out of the way. So then for the topper, let's see here. Just, these are scraps from the insides of my other packages that you guys saw. I got this Martha Stewart punch since she does not make punches anymore on a D-stash because I just like, they're easy to use and they're pretty. Oh, I forgot one. If it's a little bit off, I just fix it. And hot glue the plastic. I mean, this hot glue gun gets so hot. It's a high temperature one, and man, it's burned me a couple times. It's probably melting this plastic right now. Okay, so there's that. Then I got some of this trim, pom-pom trim. I don't know where I got this. I've had this, I think from a D-stash. A little bit of glue. And I work halfway across at a time because I don't work that fast. And half the time I try to, and the glue dries out anyway, so I just created a big old lump of dry, crusty glue, and there was no need when I could have just waited. It just looked too plain, like, compared to the other stuff that I had. The other stuff that I've been creating. I had to, you know, make sure it's cohesive. So then I got this, this is that trim pack from Hobby Lobby. It was all gold, metallic golds, and it was clearanced out for $1. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just do a little bit of glue. Actually, a lot of glue. And just a little bit in. And this kind of gives it like the, okay, why is this not working? To look at my other one. Up, down, and around. Why could I not do that? Why was it not looking the same? So then this, I'm just gonna do it same thing, a little bit on the inside of the lip. And just scoot it over to where it needs to be. And then yeah, there's the, so then again, I was gonna leave it like this, and then I'm like, it needs like a flower or something, and a flat piece of ephemera did not look good. So these are those flowers that everybody, well not everybody, I bought a bunch of stuff from the, that huge Michael's sale when all embellishments were like 60-70% off, something crazy. Just glue it down to the actual like strap and a little bit of the paper, mostly the strap. Oops. Then they it was a set of 3. I think it came with like a Prima flower kit, or not flower kit, Prima flower set, but I don't know, it was just floating around in my flower box. Then these little guys are from I have a project for these, but they're from Hobby Lobby, $1.99, and they're like a bunch of green leaves. I usually don't like working with these darker colors, but the Flourish collection has a lot of darks in it, and this leaf was like way too big, so I just cut it down like a V. We go. See, look, this washi's like sticking way better already, I can tell. I'm gonna have to go through and change out these ones. The glare isn't too bad. So yeah, they turned out super cute. I love the little bag thing that I was like, okay, what can I do for the topper? Because I didn't want it to be the same as my other embellishments that I've been doing. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.